Canadian Confederation. From 1864 to 1867, leaders from Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and the province of Canada met to make a new country. Before 1867, Canada was made up of separate British colonies. These leaders are called the Fathers of Confederation. They made two governments, one for all of Canada, federal, and one for each province, provincial. The old province of Canada was divided into two new provinces, Ontario and Quebec. Ontario and Quebec joined with Nova Scotia and New Brunswick to become Canada on July 1, 1867. July 1st is now called Canada Day. Canada started with 4 provinces in 1867: Ontario, Quebec, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick. Other places joined later. 1870, Manitoba and Northwest Territories. 1871, British Columbia. 1873, Prince Edward Island. 1898, Yukon. 1905, Alberta and Saskatchewan. 1949, Newfoundland and Labrador. 1999, Nunavut.